How to add text and customize fonts in Canva. It's really simple. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Text tab. Click on that. You can choose to add a heading, subheading, or body text depending on your needs. Canva also offers pre-made font combinations, which are a quick and stylish way to add text without worrying about matching fonts yourself. For a shortcut, just press T on your keyboard to instantly add a text box. Then, click inside the box and start typing your message. Once your text is in place, it's time to customize it. Click on the text box you want to edit, and a formatting toolbar will appear above your design. From here, you can change the font style, size, color, and alignment, along with several other formatting options. The font dropdown gives you access to a huge variety of fonts, both free and pro only. You can also bold, italicize, underline, and pick custom text colors to suit your design. Want to get creative with your text? Canva has some cool effects built in. After selecting your text, click on the Effects button in the toolbar to explore options like shadow, lift, or curve. These effects help your text stand out and add visual interest. Plus, you can easily resize, rotate, or move the text box by dragging its edges or corners, perfect for fitting your text exactly where you want it. For quick, professional-looking designs, try Canva's curated font combinations. You'll find these in the text pane, and you can simply drag and drop them into your project. If you decide to change the font throughout your entire design, just select a text box, pick a new font, and click the Change All prompt that appears. This will update every matching font in your project instantly. Finally, managing your text elements is a breeze. To duplicate a text box, select it and hit the duplicate button, or just use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. If you need to remove a text box, click on it and press Delete or Backspace.